Yo guys, so in this video we're going to learn how computers remember things using something called variables. Variables are the foundation of every program you'll ever write. When you play a game, the computer remembers your score, your level, your health, but how? It uses variables to store that information just like boxes with labels. A variable is like a box where you store a piece of information. The box has a name, and inside is the value you want the computer to remember. In Python, creating a variable is simple. You choose a name, type an equal sign, and then the value. Here we're storing a name and age. Once you store information in a variable, you can use it again and again. This makes your programs flexible and reusable. There is a difference between text and numbers. Text is called a string, numbers are just numbers, and sometimes you need to convert them, like using string age when printing. Variables can change. For example, in a game, your score increases over time. Here we update the score by adding 10. Now let's combine what you learned. Using input, you can store information from the user in variables, then use that information to create a custom message. This mini program collects information and prints a profile. It uses variables, strings, and input all working together.